Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create eye zoom transition effect in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my project in CapCut and I'm going to apply eye zoom transition effect to this project. First thing first, I'm going to click on the transition menu and here we have to search infinite transition. Just type in the infinite transition and there will be two options for you, and you can choose the type of the eye zoom transition you want to apply, and I'm going to select this infinite 2, and you can customize the duration. I'm going to make it faster like this, and then we're going to go back and click on the check mark, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a zoom transition effect in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.